Hey! What's up everyone? Hope you are doing good. Today, I am going to show you 5 awesome YouTube features that makes your life easier as a YouTuber. I am going to make it short and crisp and not drag it, so be sure to watch till the end, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos. Feature number 1. Upload defaults. Did you know you can set upload defaults on YouTube, so you don't have to enter those long descriptions every time when you upload a new video? This is a cool feature every new YouTuber should implement, and if you are uploading videos daily then you need to check this out, as it can save you a ton of time. Inside YouTube Studio, go to Settings and click on Upload Defaults. Here you can add a default title, description, visibility of your video when you upload, and even set your default tags. The title default can be best used if you are creating a series of videos and just have to change the video number. My favorite upload default is setting up a standard description, where I can fill in all details along with my social links and web links in other videos. Do note that the upload default only applies to future uploads and doesn't change your current video description and titles. Feature number 2. Assign roles. Are you tired of managing your channel all by yourself or afraid of sharing the login credentials to your VAs to manage the channel for you? Don't worry, YouTube got us covered. Channels like Brightside, 5-Minute Crafts, Troom all upload hundreds of videos a month, and if a single person is uploading and managing all of them, he or she would pass out. To unlock this feature, go to Settings and click on Permissions. Here, click on Invite and you can see a box where you can enter the person's email ID whom you wish to give access to. Click on Access. You can see number of different ways you can grant access to others, and YouTube really did a great job, which would help all creators to manage their YouTube channels more efficiently without the need to share login credentials. If you like the video so far, be sure to crush the like button so this video can reach to more people on YouTube. Feature number 3. Filter out spammy comments. Have you been seeing these annoying spammy comments that includes abusive words, or just some random get-rich-quick links on your videos and wondered how to stop them? Well, here's a solution for you.
Hell yeah.
Head over to Settings and click on Community and Advanced Filters. Now, scroll down and here you can see Block Links. Check on the box. Now what it does is, it will automatically send the comments that have links in them to Held for Review, where you can review it before allowing the comment to be public. You can also block certain words and certain users from commenting on your videos, or even hiding them from your channel. How cool is that, guys? Now you can hide your channel from your haters.
Nice.
Just kidding. Comment below if you think this feature is cool. Feature number 4. Link to your website. You can simply add your website links or other social media links on your channel so people visiting your channels can click on them to go to your website to know more about you. To do that, click on Customization inside YouTube Studio. Here, select Basic Info and scroll below. Here you can see links. Below that, select Add Link, and here you can add your website links and social media links. You can also give names to the links, so people know what the link is before clicking on them. And if you would like to place those links on your channel banner rather than placing them in the About section, you can simply choose this option to let YouTube know how many links you would like to place in the channel banner. Cool, isn't it? Feature number 5. Hide subscribers count. For one or other reason, if you wish not to show your subscriber count publicly, you can turn that off. To do this, go to Settings and choose Channel. Here click on Advanced Settings and scroll down. You can check or uncheck this box to make your subscribers count visible or hidden. We have kept our subscribers count hidden till we reach 5,000 subscribers. Well, that's all for today, guys.
And guys, if you are interested in knowing more about YouTube and cash cow channels and how you can make money from this and also how this stuff works, we have a comprehensive course for this, and I am linking the course in the description to get access to it. So trust us guys, we have taken the courses of almost all the YouTube gurus, and the information they give out are pretty basic, and we couldn't find any real-time examples in their course. So in our course we have broken down the algorithm step by step with a lot of illustrations and real-time examples, so you can exactly know what to do. Guys, let's be honest here for a second. Most of us now already know how to create videos and how to upload videos and everything, right? But what we don't know is how to actually get into the algorithm in order to get hundreds of thousands of views. And we have faced the same problem before. And once we understood how the algorithm works, it became easy for us to get a lot of views for our videos. And this is our website, and you can find all the information here. And let's come to chapter 4 and 5, guys. This is very important for all of you. What we are doing here is we break down the algorithm with real channels and case studies and go over different strategies of implementing these, so the chances of your videos getting into the algorithm are very high. So be sure to check out the course, guys. Use code mentioned on the home page to get a 25% discount. And you can also follow us on Instagram at YT Assimilation. Hope you guys have a great day, and until next time. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and comment what you like in this YouTube training video. Meet you in another video, guys. Peace.